So I have some tuning to do. There it is, swinging away. I welded up this bracket, and the electronics I think needs some tidying up. Got a little clamp up there, and then it goes down over here. It goes over by the TV, and then there's another one. A couple more pendulums. I got the pendulum craze. So yeah, it's I think when I get it tuned, it'll be a little bit quieter. It's a little bit noisy. That bottom bolt isn't in, but it still makes a little bit of squeaking. And I'd really like it to be 100% silent. But yeah, it's working pretty good. The string, in air quotes, that string is a screen door, or it's the material you put window screen or screen door stuff in. So it's a real thin aluminum extrusion. It's pretty lightweight, but it's got enough torsional rigidity that brass ball on the bottom isn't creating any problems. So yeah, it's kind of cool. I need to make a piece of wood to put in front of it so that it's not quite so hideous, and make a little box to hide the electronics. I do want to. I want to have a solar panel power it with a little battery and a BMS. But yeah, that's my attempt at a FOC controlled giant pendulum.